Hello YouTube, welcome to Randomly View, and today we are going to unbox a new flagship budget phone from Xiaomi. So here is the new phone. This is Poco F1. Without any further delay, let's take the clean wrap. Let's see what are the basic information given in the box. So here it is said that it comes with 845 Snapdragon with 2.8 GHz processor, liquid cooling, dual camera setup with AI support. Front camera is 20 megapixel and 4000 milliampere battery with quick charge. So without any further delay, let's slide open the box and let's see what are the contents. So the box comes in very vibrant lemon yellow color, which I like very much. So let's take out the front box. Let's see what is inside there. Some paperwork, user manual, specifications. So this one comes with a soft case. It's pretty good. Let's keep this thing aside, and here is the main phone. So here is the Poco F1. This is the back. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what is inside there. This is the power brick. So it reads 5 volt 3 amperes slash 9 volt 2 amperes and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. This is made in India. Here is the Type-C cable. This is the reversible Type-C. Let's keep this aside. At the bottom we get the SIM ejection tool. There is nothing else inside the box. So here is the phone. So just quickly we will take out the screen protector from this phone. From the back too. So this phone here is the matte version and the color is graphite black. The camera setup is really beautiful. Let me just get a close-up. You can see the dual camera, dual tone flashlight. The cameras are bordered with red color, which really looks nice and classy. So here you get the Poco written over here. In spite of being a budget phone, this phone is hitting the market very well. This phone weighs 180 grams or so. Let's just boot this phone real quick and we will be right back. The booting is almost done. Now we will set the fingerprint. So it was pretty quick. Let's choose the background. This seems fine. So the phone is all booted up. So let's see what are the specifications. So here's the front camera, the speaker, the receiver, the sensors, and here's the charging port, which is type C with the speaker unit. Here is the SIM slot. This is a hybrid SIM slot. Let me just show you. So 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM with SD card. This device has 256 GB of expandable memory, volume rockers, the power on off button. Here is the 3.5mm headphone jack. So the display in this phone is 6.18 inches with a notch over here, rounded corners. The screen is IPS screen. You can see. Let's see the screen from different angle. Let's check the fingerprint sensors. It's pretty fast. Let's see again. See, it's pretty fast. So let's check the settings. Where is about phone? There it is. So RAM is 6 GB, internal memory is 64 GB, whereas 54 GB is available, and 8.1 Android version. Apart from all this, the front camera is 20 megapixel, the back camera is 13 plus 5, where 5 is the depth sensor. So this is all you get in this phone, guys. So I will give the link for purchasing this phone in the description box below. You can check that out. Let's just put on the cover which we were given. This is a soft cover. Here we go. The touch response is pretty good. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.